Plaque and tartar are dangerous for your teeth, so you have to remove them as soon as possible. You can remove plaque and tartar quickly with this natural mouthwash. It acts rapidly to help you kill the bacteria that cause plaque and tartar buildup. Its ingredients are natural. In addition to helping avoid chemicals in commercial mouthwash products, you also save some bucks and even see better results. We strongly recommend that gargle using this mouthwash after eating. This is a great tip to get rid of leftover food that gets stuck between your teeth. These leftover food particles and saliva that mix in your mouth that can form plaque as a result of chemical reactions that take place in your mouth. Start to make this mouthwash by preparing the first ingredient, limes or lemons. Citrus fruits are good at removing plaque and tartar because they contain acids. In addition, lime juice is full of vitamin C, which helps your gums stay firm and healthy. After time using a mouthwash with lime juice, you will find the plaque buildup start to dissolve and disappear. You will also find that your teeth become whiter. What a very cheap way to keep your gums healthy and whiten your teeth at the same time. Your teeth will feel very shiny and clean afterwards, your breath fresh. Prepare 2 organic limes or lemons and cut them in half. Then squeeze the lime juice into the glass bowl. If you want to receive more useful recipes like this video to take care of your health and that of your relatives, then press the subscribe button and press the bell, so you will receive our new video every day. Prepare a glass bottle or glass container with a tight fitting lid and pour lime juice into it. Next, we need to prepare baking soda. Combining lime juice and baking soda in mouthwash is a safe and effective way to remove plaque and tartar. They can remove plaque and tartar without damaging the animal. In addition, plaque and tartar can also contribute to bad breath. Baking soda can help because it lowers the high acidic levels in the mouth, which is the main cause of bad breath. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder, into the bottle. Next, you need to prepare raw organic honey. Honey is known to have various antibacterial properties that help inhibit the growth of bacteria in your mouth. According to the findings by the University of Waikato, New Zealand, honey not only stops the growth of the dental plaque bacteria, but it also reduces the amount of acid produced, which stops the bacteria from producing dextrin, that is a component of dental plaque. Add 5 teaspoons of raw organic honey into the water. The last ingredient of this recipe is cinnamon powder. This ingredient not only makes your mouthwash taste so very refreshing, but is known for its antibacterial properties. Cinnamon can destroy all those bacteria which are responsible for causing plaque and the foul smell in your mouth, thereby helping you prevent plaque and tartar buildup and get rid of bad breath. Add a half of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder into the bottle. Finally, add 1 cup of warm water into the water. Close the lid and shake vigorously. After a few minutes, all the ingredients will dissolve in the water. Your homemade mouthwash is ready to use. To use it, just take a sip and squeeze it around in your mouth for about a minute, then spit it out. You can use your mouthwash every morning, after brushing your teeth, after eating, or anytime you want a clean, fresh mouth. Store this mouthwash in the fridge and use it every day.